Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can remove animation in Canva. First we are going to add animation. Click on the object and click animate, and now on the left panel here you can see lot of animation style. You can add any type of animation from here. For example, I am going to add this. You can add anything. Now we have added a animation in this image. So now if you want to remove this animation, click on the image, and here you can see the animation name, which is called wife. Just click on this, and on the bottom here you can see remove animation. Just click on this. Now the animation has been gone. So this is how you can remove animation in Canva. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.